Hi guys, today we're going to install the steering wheel spacer on a Renault Alpine. First step is unplug the battery to avoid unwanted warning lights at the end of the procedure. Then find a flat screwdriver and insert it in the two holes at the sides of the steering wheel to unclamp the springs that unlock the airbag unit from the steering wheel. On the left side it was very easy, but as you see now I can't find the one on the right side, so I restarted the procedure, pushing back the airbag and starting to unclamp the spring from the other side. This time went fine, and the airbag unit come out easily. And now you have to disconnect the connector. First lift the security lock clip, then make a sort of lever with the screwdriver to unplug the connector. Now you can leave there the airbag unit and go on disconnecting the other connectors you find inside the steering wheel. They are two, one black and one white. Then you can unscrew the central bolt, which is a Torx bolt, and have a friend holding the steering wheel at the first unlock hit. Then unscrew the bolt, shake a little bit the steering wheel to be sure it comes out easily, and then pull it out gently, and while push the wires inside the slot. You have to pay attention, never pull the wires from the car, otherwise you can damage the clock spring assembly. Now you see the steering wheel spacer, and you have to insert it in the steering column, and at the same time make the wires gently go across the slot in the steering wheel. Now you can insert the steering wheel in the shaft of the spacer, in line with the spacer, and in the same way make the wires go back in the slot. And okay, now it's on. You have to insert the central long bolt, which is included in the kit, and tight it. That wobbling is normal before you tighten the bolt. You pre-tight by hand, and then you finally lock the bolt with the torque wrench, having somebody holding the steering wheel in while. Reconnect the wires and make them gently stay inside the steering wheel in a way you are not going to press them when you push back the airbag. Reconnect the airbag connector and push the airbag in the steering wheel. You have only one way to do it. You align it and then you push it, and that's done. You finish the job. You can reconnect the battery and enjoy the spacer. Bye-bye.